You are just have another excuse to go. Today we are staying home. We're cuddled up. I miss you so much. I want you to klang-klang me in bed. Okay? At dahil hindi mawala-wala sa utak ni Mister na bibili ng RV guys, so ngayon meron siyang nakita dito at sabi niya mag-stop daw kami. Walang sala dahil po hindi ako gumawa. So mag-rice tayo. Hindi luto. Guys. I guess kainin natin hilaw. Kain tayo ng hilaw. Inday Mirian, kakain ka ng hilaw. Alam nyo ba na meron ako mga nakikitang mga video na kumakain sila ng beef steak. Steak siya guys. And then, ang problema nun is hindi siya niluluto. As in, ano talaga siya, diba? O, kain tayo ng hilaw eh. Hindi naman tayo namamatay at kain nga si Tami nito eh. Mas prepare ko talaga yung ano. Mas lutong-luto pa siya nito. Pero, not bad, not bad. It's not purple. Hindi siya purple, guys. So, kung purple siya, ito yung klase talagang kinakain ni Tami. Mayroon tayong butter dito. Totoo pa lang yung sabi nila na malasahan mo talaga kapag kumakain ka nito. Malasahan mo yung beef. Soft siya, guys. Hello, guys. Uy, hindi talaga siya, guys. As in, ito yung mga paborito ni Mister. Hindi ko talaga ito kinakain, guys. As in naman ito, eh. Bakit kaya ganito? As in, pinapagid ko nga siya, eh. Pinapagid. Matagal ko siyang niluluto, guys. Pero, ito. Pero hindi siya, masarap siya, guys. As in. Masarap siya, guys. Kalukuhan. Hindi ako makapaniwala. As in, ma-surprise ulit Tami. Sabihin ko sa kanya.
Worry from
Where?
BJ's because they're
only. You're gonna go to BJ's again?
Because they only come out with them because it's Thanksgiving. They're just never around. You can't find these ever anymore.
You are just have another excuse to go. Today we are staying home. We're cuddled up. I miss you so much. I want you to klang-klang me in bed. Okay?
We're staying home. We're cuddled up. We gotta take the car and take a look at it and see what they gotta do with it.
What car?
The white car. It's bad.
What happened? Did you crash?
No. Like some guy fell asleep on the road. I slammed my brakes on.
When?
Last week on the highway. And now the car is making weird noises. So I think the bearings are just gone now.
Allah.
The wheel bearings. So before the wheel flies off while I'm driving on the highway.
Didn't go early today to go over there.
Well, they won't take it. I'm going to have to try fire something. They'll need an appointment and make it for next month. You know, all that bullshit.
You don't tell me this happened, honey. Maybe you're everywhere, honey. You're sleeping.
I did tell you it happened.
Because maybe you're sleeping? You are the one sleeping, right?
No, because you don't pay attention to me when I talk.
I do pay attention a lot. You don't forget to tell me.
Tell me if this doesn't ring a bell.
No,
okay?
no.
Tell me if this doesn't ring a bell.
No, you see there's a truck that's everywhere.
Tell me if this doesn't ring a bell. So the guy's driving in front of me, and he's all over the road. And I don't pass him because I'm afraid this guy's going to clip me because he's everywhere.
And?
He's driving everywhere. So I'm behind him because I don't want to pass him. He's so far over the road, I figure if I drive past him, he'll clip me, so leave him. And all of a sudden, he just stops. And I recognize that because that means he's like dozing in and out, and he wakes up and he hallucinates something in front of him and slams on the brakes. Well, I slam on my brakes too.
But you hit him?
No, I didn't hit him.
Oh.
If I hit him, you would know that. Seriously. No, I didn't
so
hit him.
But it's
slamming the brakes that hard.
It's not good?
Something.
So if you're slamming the brake, it's not good?
Well, I mean, it is good. You're supposed to be able to do it, but the car is old, so it probably just, the bearings probably go.
Why, is it making noise?
Yeah.
Loud?
Noise, huh?
Loud?
Yes. Oh.
Allah. No, check it. We have to go, hon. Go shower.
Yeah.
Nako, talagang buhay na ito.
Do you remember any part of that story?
I do.
Oh, imagine that.
But the car, but the car shouldn't have a damage if you don't hit anything.
It doesn't have a damage, but so the car's parts are wearing out because it's got almost 200,000 miles on it. 65,000 miles on it.
Seriously?
Yes, hon. I drive a lot.
Allah ka diha.
And the parts are wearing out, and that must have just jolted something.
Okay. So you have to take all your shit out in there? Holy cow.
Well,
That's the thing.
Not unless I get an appointment for
that's
it.
the one that stressed me out, hon. Your shit.
Stresses me out too. So when I go to BJ's, I'll buy one of those bins I throw everything into.
And where are you gonna put it?
They may not have it now because summer's over. Those are for summer bins. Those are for like your porch furniture or cushions.
No, I don't see any bin. I know what you're looking.
Yeah, they might. They may not.
BJ's or Big Lots?
BJ's, Big Lots.
At dahil hindi mawala-wala sa utak ni Mr. na bibili ng RV guys, so ngayon meron siyang nakita dito at sabi niya mag-stop daw kami. So andito na kami dito guys. So meron kami nakita dito, nagtanong kami sa loob guys kung anong presyuhan dito at mga sizes. Pero bago po kami nagpunta sa loob guys, tinitignan namin dito para kami magnanakaw guys, tingin-tingin sa window. Oh, grabe katintid man itong window guys, so hindi makikita kung anong nasa loob. Sabi ko kay Tami dito, honey, wala man itong mga CR, walang ano ba, hindi pa kumpleto sa loob kasi hindi ko nakikita. Akala ko talaga ano ito, vet na, yung parang vet ba? Car, yung parang mag-ano ng mga hayop dito kasi sa Amerika guys, merong vet na mag-drive lang sila guys at puntahan ka doon sa bahay. So akala ko ito yun siya kasi may mga, ang iba may mga picture na mga iro, ang mga aso ba? Excited ba si Tami guys bibili nito? Matagal na talaga itong plano niya pero ako man, excited din ako pero at the same time guys, magputol-putol man yung plano namin guys kasi yung utak ko magputol-putol din. Sabi ko kung mag-drive man talaga itong si Mr. guys, delikado man din no. So kaya sabi ko sa kanya, totoo ba yung gusto mo talagang bibili ng ganito? Guys, they have meron silang swing dito na upuan guys. Kahoy, I like it. Tanungin natin sila kung ibenta ba nila ito. Let's see if they're gonna sell this thing. I like it guys, sa front porch ba? So, ito daw yung tignan. Ito yung pinakamura daw nila guys, no? 30,000. Ito yung pinakamura. So, kaya tignan natin kung okay ba to sa ating budget at saka kung maganda ba. Let's see. Kapag mga RV guys na hindi mga brand new guys talaga maganitong presyo guys, adoy ginoo ko mga old na guys. So kaya tinitignan namin dito ang mahal guys no, di ba? Aabot ng kapin sa milyones ang presyuhan nito at hindi siya brand new, outdated siya guys, hindi siya updated, charot. But anyway, excited si Mr. dito kasi nakakita siya ng shower guys na malaki-laki daw, magkasya-kasya daw yung katawan niya guys, and then ako hindi ko nagustuhan. O diba, may pagkapiki din si Inday Mirian kasi ang mga nakikita ko kasi guys, nahilig akong nanonood sa mga YouTube guys no, yung mga van life no, and then ang gaganda kasi mga updated na yung sa loob guys, at ito kasi karaan man kasi ito, pero okay naman ito, sabi pa ni Tami magkasya na daw yung pusa dito at aso. Adoy, ang iniisip pa niya guys, yung mga aso at pusa guys. At tinitignan ko din ito, yung mga drawer nila guys, makailangan siyang i-tweak ba para papasok talaga kasi may, alam nyo na, may katandaan na, may mga sira-sira na. And then si Mr. kasi gusto niya malaman yung mileage dito guys, kasi ang mileage man no, ay ginoo ko guys, pagtingin ni Mr. Sabi niya sa akin pag uwi ng bahay, sabi niya sa akin, ay grabe 150,000 naman yung mileage nito. Hindi daw niya gusto ng mga ganito guys, no? So ito mayroon silang maliit na freezer at refrigerator. Ito maganda talaga ito guys i-travel kasi si Mr. guys gustong mag-travel sa Florida guys. Gustong tingnan niya yung kondo niya at saka magbahay-bahayan na lang daw kami sa sasakyan no. Kasi hindi man pwede kasi ang mga hayop sa hotel. So at baka hindi din mahal din guys kung iwan yung aming mga hayop sa kanang sa daycare no. Sobrang mahal. So dadalhin na lang daw namin dito, mapabili kami nito. Pero gusto kasi ni Tami ibenta. Gusto namin ibenta yung kondo sa Florida. So kaya gusto talaga namin magpunta doon. So good luck sa amin no. Sana makahanap kami ng gusto namin ba.